Hi everyone, welcome to the Dancing Vegan. Today we'll be doing chickpea tuna. We will be using lemon, tomato, red onion, jalapeno, and celery, as well as garbanzo beans, paprika, salt, thyme, black pepper, sunshine seasoning, and mustard. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to blend our garbanzo beans. So we'll go ahead and open the can. So I prefer to go ahead and drain the liquid. This is something that you don't have to do. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the garbanzo beans into the blender, and we want to give it a quick blend, no more than 5 seconds. Now we're going to take the blended chickpeas and we're going to go ahead and put them over into a medium or large bowl. Now let's take half of a jalapeno and let's dice it up and add it to our chickpeas. We're going to do the same thing with the celery. And now we're going to dice the red onion and add it to our mix. Now we have our chickpea mix, and the next thing I'm going to do is add our spices. We're going to add salt, pepper, paprika, thyme, sunshine seasoning, and a little bit of mustard. We'll go ahead and mix it up. Make sure you kind of give it a good stir. A little bit more mustard. Once you get it mixed, you want to go ahead and add your tomato. So once you have your tomatoes chopped up, go ahead and add it to your mix and give it a good stir. And if you don't like tomatoes, you can leave it out. Lastly, you want to go ahead and add a little bit of lemon for flavor, and watch out for the seeds. Now that our mix is complete, we're going to go ahead and plate it with some tomato slices. You can also use it for sandwiches, stuffed bell peppers, or on its own. To finish it off, we'll add a dash of paprika and some cilantro. There it is, chickpea tuna on slices of tomato. Thanks you guys. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.